Hello everybody, in today's episode we will talk about on how to delete your search history permanently. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go at Google, press ask anything, and you can see manage history at the bottom. Then you're going to press manage history, go at the bottom, at the top, and as you can see it's clearly at the top it says delete. After you click delete you can see delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. I'm gonna go with all time, delete again, and you can see deletion completed. Press OK. Now let's go to the permanently thing. This was only for some of them. It doesn't delete permanently. Go at Google and search my Google activity. After you search, you can see welcome to my activity, Google. Press that and go at the bottom and you can clearly see delete again. And it's your all your activity. Delete, and you can choose anything. Delete again, delete, and it will be permanently deleted. As you can see, deletion completed again. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments